Etiefo, the matter chop hot. The matter chop hot. Giddy 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 giddy. Now, I'm saying if you've been following me from last week, may the story be breaking news be by. Na move a break at share one dream. I was so. Now, say you better subscribe and click the notification bell no, and no any down screen so see when you understand latest news be about one sa ebeka. Quickly, young consent name. Assembly there. Me shall say free. Okay, you shall say free the last report I made the last reportage I make here. Me mamoti ase say CID ato ensa afre NDC communication director a friend Sami Jemfi na dia yatse ene say will be our Flagstaff house. Satan me mamoti ase say ye nim nipa kro but the yatse say will be our Flagstaff house akology complaint against Sami Jemfi. Says Sami Jemfi are invading into the person's privacy. Okay, one more boss say privacy, but almost say charge na ye boss Sami Jemfi so no cyber crime. Now me explain it to say having a background into computer science. No, I have a degree in computer science. It's you can't cyber crime. It involves things like privacy, things like and I narrow down the man who say if you are privacy in some Intiana Sami Jemfi, ya any bibi sano. Na etiefo me mamoti asese Sami Jemfi eka se invitation na CID for no epe efi ne ho no CID 4% Sami Jemfi ne bana wo mo ye no investigation na Sami Jemfi ntumi anko because na Sami Jemfi ne say wo exam sa wo tro etiefo news a abasisi ano mienu ma me fa ni nambo na me fa no because ni nia Sami Jemfi asem ene ye kan news a aba ene say CID 4 aye wo mo adwen se wo mu seize Sami Jemfi phone yes etiefo asem ne tintin ene ne tintin mu ne se CID 4 e de asem no e court se court emma wo mo kwan na Sami Jemfi ne phone ni yen seize na ye seize ne phone we a na the Facebook account nso no wa handle over ama CID 4 no na CID 4 no akom because omususu say complain na the bakune fi Jubilee House abelodge say complain ama the police no omususu say wo mo ko Sami Jemfi Facebook account mu wo mo chi the phone na wo mo hwe ne nyama mu a wo mo behu things wo mo behu nyama ebetre say ne kre asem a ye de ato Sami Jemfi so no ne kre etifo mo nti asem ne ye say ye the cyber crime fraud so a very serious the least number of years wo betumi akodem if ne kra ye de wo continue hu ne say ne kra 10 years etiefo enti asem we a ye ka ne sa na nya asem keto a enya asem kuma etiefo na Sami Jemfi wo ho wo ti say CID 4 enti say na mo aye mo de akokot ama court ama mo ho kwan say mo seize me phone mo ye we go say he nanka ma say nanka ma tete nanka ma say Sami Jemfi o se wo be pene ama aban ahye echa ye bibi say nanka wa say na Sami Jemfi nanka say woni ma wono nso ye lawyer it will now wo dimika fast wono nso call court akwache court for say hey me pini o me pini me mo nji me phone me mo meji me Facebook account no because it is against my privacy. It is Sami Jemfi akọ human rights court awa Accra ha say hey dear CID 4 no government ex parte applications are womo ade akoda in court and womo pese womo hwehwe me nyama mu no against me privacy itima mo mpene na me pese me read in Sami Jemfi injunction what they aba na da me ne o ka say we sue IGP police penyin no we sue no was also issue attorney general because assembly say ba state prosecution no attorney general and so it will sue IGP issue attorney general say we mo chase after his phone and Facebook records. Now I have Sami Jemfi transcripts be e wa ha say me read actual na semi ansemi nia e sha ase no eni o say I received a phone call from an officer by name ACP Herbert Yankson, head of cyber unit of the Criminal Investigation Department of the Ghana Police Service, that he has been authorized by the second respondent, IGP, to invite me based on a complaint received from the Jubilee House without more. dia wa kan say wono Sami Jemfi no wo ho na 17 December wo be fra no anipa ko no tell say wono nipa ko no your friend Herbert Yankson na wo ba CID cyber crime unit a wono na tia no na IGP an informe wono Herbert Yankson say Sami Jemfi your friend member no obi am make complaint about him obi am lodge complaint over cyber crime issue I say eno pe eno mo kan na me pesa ye kwa ensem no so we say my attention has been drawn to an ex parte application by the second respondent's authorized officer to the district court for the records of my phone without indicating what specifically the second respondent is looking for and without any evidence that I have in fact committed or about to commit the alleged crime of forgery and spreading of false information to cause fear and panic. Sami Jemfi is giving more light to this issue. What say? One no. Na adwenya ba so say IGP ama ya court akoje say yembeje Sami Jemfi phone. Yensan so enkoje ni Facebook account ni yenhwehwe mu wo mo a woni o mo atwetwe nkomo ne nyama ne yenhwe bibia mu. Because omo susu say Sami Jemfi charge aye de bono eye forgery, spreading of false information to cause fear and panic. Na wo bi eyimi asotre em say asem no eba first no me mamote ase say oni kra yesi wa logic complain no ne yenim no but wo bi eyimi asotre nipa na ye kan say wa logic complain and the reason why yesi wo logic sa complain no na the mate I'm not stating say this is the fact but the mate from one of the online web portals no and they say oni kra wo logic complain Asante Bedie Etuo na mokaya na nseya Sami Jemfi e de expose be babonten na wo pese wo tre say Akufo-Addo family and friends Asante Bedie Etuo say oye Akufo-Addo wo fa say oye Akufo-Addo say oye ne say na tell Sami Jemfi e show pictures of Asante Bedie Etuo na nkasa ne maame and the other relatives Sami Jemfi ne claiming say all these people work in the government, into your family and friends government. Mokaya sa adina Sami Jemfi de babonten no the mateno and they say almost say forgery and spreading of false information to cause fear and panic. Then yeah no pe. Nansa yanso say mokaya. You see, Mokaya Attorney General was actually chasing the senior minister Osafo Maafo over a $1 million sikebia. You say the senior minister no say what the sikana command microphone man afi yenhu yetumi account say Mokaya the auditor general the senior minister for Saasem ne so. Na Saasem ne ba bonten no. Letter be a ba bonten a na nkrofo ka say letter wey etwese ne kra. Osafo Maafo de sika no command nkrofo wey etwese Ghana for yesika $1 million so de komo mu free. Free a wo manye adwuma bia ma. It is a letter na ba bonten nkrofo ka say eye Sami Jemfi na ehye ase eye asem nkrofo ka ho. It's the people are saying said that is the reason why Sami Jemfi yako logic complain against Ono. Say he's causing fear and panic for forgery and spreading of false information. And therefore, in some no any hey obi basia madam fobi was say a yellow papa. Na asem there Sami Jemfi sama wode aba bonte na doso. Mention as was say the grounds upon which I made this instant application for the enforcement of my fundamental human rights are as follows. Was the DNT or no Sami Jemfi wako court issue IGP issue Attorney General said they are infringing upon his fundamental human rights any. I said the ex parte application by the second respondent to have access to the applicant's phone records, which constitute a threat to the applicant's right to privacy, ought to have been on notice in order to enable him to defend his constitutional rights to privacy under Article 18(2) of the 1992 Constitution of Ghana. What's it here? Application na aban e de akokota mo ho kwan say yenko Sami Jemfi phone and the Facebook account no e ya ade bia na kansa na aban de be kokot na kan wo say aban ne bo Sami Jemfi wo mu yi na sotre na Sammy Jemfi nso kokko to e defend ne ho e kire court ne say da bi mo fa de we e ma aban no ba mo ankasa mo de mo pe e na mo nkwa na mo akokko na akogye sa ade no it is an infringement upon his human rights. We a legal matters. I'm not a lawyer, so I am just explaining based on what I am reading, based on my understanding on what I am reading. Yeah, to ask a same way Ghana. Was it that the ex parte application by the second respondent to have access to the applicant's Facebook information, which constitutes a threat to the applicant's right to privacy, ought to have been on notice in order to enable him to defend his constitutional rights. Dear Sammy Jemfi, what can any lawyer say can yetia? Or say we share Ghana in Bremwa, a mahokwain say, what per se a privacy issue. Now what they court say, Yama quain, Nabasham in Yamemwa. And Brahma hokwain say, mean so me woho. Na say, mean so me to me defending me case. Na mo ampene ama me man baby afei metehwa mo se mo de court order ba se me fa me phone ne mamo na mo sanso enhwe me Facebook nsemu o se wo no Sammy Jemfi na ka law school no ko no na ka wankokwa etiefo na these are the reliefs Sammy Jemfi is seeking muntie ne ye wo se we ena wo de asem na kokos no o se court emma na ade we was an order restraining the IGP from proceeding to examine the phone records of the applicants pending the determination of the application. Was hey, court amako emesre, mumma ho kwan na trese IGP in some worker say what person wo me phone, wo share me Facebook in sensem no, mumma ho kwan na trese won twa sa adwendwen na IGP no wo adwen ho. Etiefo ya tiaso I say an order restraining the first respondent, second respondent, the Criminal Investigation Department of the Ghana Police Service, and or their agents, officers, or assigned from proceeding with efforts to access information on my Facebook account with username Sammy Jemfi. But say yes, my Facebook account no person mo generate so no course me srew me mbem. Hey, etiefo asem no ayeshe mo nche mwanyo comment box mu me da say